GK Kids.
My dear Cuckoo, it had been raining continuously for 2 days. The school holidays were on. Rohan was feeling bored at home. He had watched TV so much that he couldn't focus anymore. His mother had strictly forbidden him from going outside because the rain was heavy, accompanied by strong winds. After 2 days, when the wind and rain slowed down, Rohan went to the balcony to look outside. The streets were flooded, resembling a pond. His mind was set on sailing a boat down there, but his mother had forbidden it due to bacteria and dirt. As he was looking outside, he heard a whimpering sound in his ears. He carefully looked and saw a puppy soaked in the drain. It was a very small puppy. He didn't know where it had come from. Rohan thought for a moment, and without telling his mother, he ran downstairs towards the puppy. Struggling, he finally reached near the park where the puppy was hiding. He couldn't understand how it got there. Rohan looked around but couldn't find its mother anywhere. Poor thing, this baby will die from cold. Thinking this, Rohan brought it home. The puppy was shivering in a terrible condition due to the cold. "Mom, look what I brought," Rohan said, showing his mother with gleaming eyes. "Where did you find this puppy?" his mother asked. "It was hiding on the park stairs. I saw it from above and then brought it up." "You did a very good thing, son," his mother said, sitting next to him. "It's shivering from cold. It needs warm milk. But first, let's clean it up." After cleaning, they wrapped the puppy in a clean towel. Now the puppy was feeling better. After some time, Rohan's mother started feeding warm milk mixed with bread to the puppy. The puppy was hungry too. It started experiencing good health, wagging its tail in gratitude and making woof, woof sounds while following Rohan and his mother. "It's my friend now," Rohan exclaimed. "Mom, what should I name him?" "You decide, he's your friend." "Mama, since he makes woof, woof sounds, I'll name him Cuckoo." "Yes, that's fine," his mother smiled. Now Rohan and Cuckoo became deep friends. Before going to school, Rohan would take Cuckoo out in the morning, then bathe and feed him. Rohan's mother also fed Cuckoo breakfast. Then Rohan would go to school, and his mother would go to the office. Cuckoo took care of the house all day with Rohan and his mother. A few months ago, Rohan's father had died in a road accident. Due to the sympathy, Rohan's mother had found a job. Some money was about to be transferred as compensation for Rohan's father's death, about 3 lakh rupees. Some people had their eyes on this money. For several months, the money was supposed to be transferred but hadn't arrived yet. Suddenly, after the bill passed, 3 lakh rupees were transferred to Rohan's mother's account. Some relatives from Rohan's family were eyeing this money. They kept threatening his mother and demanding the money. Rohan's mother had filed a complaint at the police station, but the police hadn't been able to do anything yet. Those people said, "You also stay alert. If anything suspicious happens, inform us." One evening, Rohan's mother said to Rohan, "Son, I'm just going downstairs to buy vegetables. Don't leave the house." After a while, his mother called, "Son, Sudha auntie's condition has worsened a lot. I'm taking her to the hospital immediately. Don't open the door for anyone." "Okay, Mom." Rohan locked the door and started playing with Cuckoo. After playing with Cuckoo for a while, Rohan said, "Cuckoo, I have homework to do. Go sit in the doghouse." Reluctantly, Cuckoo went and sat in the doghouse. His mind wanted to play with Rohan, but Rohan went to his study room to study. After some time, Cuckoo suddenly started barking loudly. He was standing at the door, barking vigorously towards it. Rohan hurriedly came out of his room. What happened, Cuckoo? Why are you angry? Just then, the doorbell rang. Rohan looked outside through the peephole. Two people were standing outside, dressed like doctors. Rohan got scared. What's wrong? We are from City Hospital. Your mother has requested 10,000 rupees. Look, she has written in this letter. The man said as he extended the letter towards Rohan. But my mom is. Rohan stuttered. Yes, your mom took Sudha auntie to City Hospital. She has written this letter for you. The treatment cost was a bit less than 10,000 rupees. We work there, so we brought the money ourselves. Rohan couldn't understand the trick of those people. Son, open the door. We are not thieves, his mother said affectionately. Rohan opened the door. As soon as Rohan opened the door, those people quickly grabbed Rohan and tried to take him outside forcibly. Just then, Cuckoo attacked them from behind. He injured them with his sharp teeth and claws, causing them to get hurt. Hearing the dog's bark, the neighbors came running. They caught those two thugs and immediately informed the police. The police arrived and arrested the thieves. Cuckoo's intelligence had saved Rohan from being kidnapped today. Rohan's eyes were teary. He hugged Cuckoo and said, "Thank you, my friend. I will never forget this favor." Cuckoo's eyes were also filled with tears. He hugged Rohan back with his paws spread out. When his mother returned, she found out the truth about everything, and she burst into tears. She hugged both her sons tightly.